Hello there. This week's episode is brought to you by my good friend Lori from Round Bread Company. I have one of her specialty loaves of bread here, and today we're going to make some bread pudding. Let's cook. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Chef Threads. Today's ingredients are eggs, vanilla extract, sweetened condensed milk, nutmeg, cinnamon, whole milk, chocolate chips, unsalted butter, caramel syrup, and of course cinnamon swirl bread. We're going to begin our recipe today by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. When chopping up the bread for our bread pudding, there is no rhyme or reason for size. Just make sure they are bite-sized pieces. Now that our bread is chopped up, let's begin with our mixture. We're going to start with 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 1 cup of whole milk, 8 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and just a few dashes of nutmeg. Give this a good whisk until everything is combined, and then go ahead and add it to our cubed bread. Let's add 1 cup of chocolate chips and give this a good mix until everything is incorporated. I like to let this sit for 5 to 8 minutes to let all the flavors get soaked into the bread. Next, let's go ahead and transfer our bread pudding to a baking dish and make sure it's spaced out evenly within the pan. Wrap it up with parchment paper and foil and place in the oven for 45 minutes. After removing bread pudding from the oven, let rest for 15 to 20 minutes before slicing. Add some caramel syrup and some vanilla ice cream if you choose, and enjoy. Wow, yes, it's as good as it looks. The texture is spot on. Flavors are out of this world. Thank you so much, Lori, for helping make this dish today. I'm going to leave her stuff in the description down below. If you like today's video, please give it a like. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching today's video. Please consider subscribing, and as always, guys, don't forget your threads.